everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to walk you through my Sunday self-care routine. First things first, we are going to start off with my good old juicer. We're making some green juice. So over here I have 4 main ingredients. I have celery, I have cucumber, lemon, and ginger. What I love about this green juice is that it's pretty simple to make, and it's so many nutrients. So it's perfect for drinking right at the beginning of the morning. Definitely starting off your way by prioritizing your health because it's packed with nutrients. It's great for your digestive system. If you're trying to get that summer body, it's perfect because it also helps you digest and detoxify. Something I must say about the juice is it is strong. Okay, so sometimes I have to readjust the cup to make sure it's not falling. Once you are done, you have to make sure that you mix it. I always do this because I want to make sure that all of the ingredients blend well together. Now that we have the juice, it's time to put it in containers. So I like to put it in these mason jars because I find that it's easier to clean and it's super quick to grab and go. You can either drink it at home, or if you're drinking it at work or on your way to work, it's easy to just grab. It's very, very travel friendly. I'll store the rest in a bigger container in my refrigerator. And the juice lasts up to a week. If you drink 1 container per day, it should be able to last you for a week. And so this is how it looks at the end. All right. I'm happy because the healthy me has my green juice. Okay. Now, next, I'm not done with my juicer yet, okay? Next are my immunity shots. So these are the ingredients I use. I love immunity shots because I feel like if you have allergies or if it's cold and flu season, it's a great way to be proactive about your health. It's a great way to make sure that like your body's ready for, anything, right? So I have my lemon, I have my orange. I also have ginger as well. So this is enough to yield about 7 immunity shots. So that's enough to last me throughout the week. And then again, next Sunday, I'm able to do this whole process again. I'm adding pepper and turmeric. Pepper helps your body absorb the nutrients, and turmeric I found is easier than the actual turmeric root. I blend it all together, and if it's too thick, then I add some water because I want to make sure that it's easy for me to digest. It is now dinner time. So for dinner, I am cooking some curry shrimp. I already have my peppers and my shrimp sauteed in a pan. It wasn't until I got started that I realized that I forgot to get the coconut milk, but that's okay. It's still gonna taste amazing. So this is what I'm prepping. So this should be able to last me for 5 meals. So I'll eat 1 for dinner tonight, and then I'll save the rest for Monday and Tuesday. What I really love about this recipe, it's pretty quick. It's something that I can make quickly, and it's a tasty meal. So instead of opting for white rice, I decided to go with the healthier option. I have quinoa. And so those are my 4 meals. And this is what I'm eating today, right? So a healthy spin on curry shrimp. So now we're moving on to the home. So you guys should know how I feel about eucalyptus. If you have not caught my tutorial on how to have a eucalyptus shower head, please make sure you do that. I'll link that below. But before I can replace my eucalyptus shower head, I have to roll out the leaves to make sure that the oils are released and I'm able to smell the scent, right? If I'm not doing this step ahead of time, I'm not going to get the benefit. I also want to make sure that I'm replacing my eucalyptus regularly, right? So right now, the eucalyptus that I have in my shower, it's been there for a while, so I'm not getting the same benefits. And as you can see, the leaves on this one, they're green, they're vibrant, they're ready to go. All right, let's take down that shower head, okay? It's done. I appreciate you, and now I release you. Okay, and now it's time for the next shower head. So I feel like it's pretty simple to put up because it's already tied together. There's a rubber band. Doing little things like replacing my eucalyptus shower head and also buying flowers, those are things that I consider environmental self-care, right? Making sure that your home is cozy, making sure that your home reflects the environment that you want to have, reflects the vibe that you want to have. So that's why I love doing little things like this, and I think it's perfect to do it on a Sunday because you start the week already prioritizing yourself. So for these selection of flowers, I decided to get pink. Pink is all things feminine and soft, and why not have a touch of femininity and softness in my apartment, right? So I'm doing like this trick that I saw on TikTok that I think is working for me. Before I even touch the petals, I fill my glass with ice with the flower water, and then I go ahead and remove the leaves. After that, I give my flowers a little twirl, and then I put them in the water. So twirl, then put them in the water. One thing I like about this technique is that the flowers are able to be in full bloom and they look beautiful from afar. So I really loved this approach. So these are my flowers at the end. Beautiful. All right, so now that I've done my juicing, I've done my cooking, I've replaced my shower head, I've replaced my flowers. Now it's time for me to just relax, right? So on Sundays, I love to just pour into myself. I think that YouTube is a great resource for learning and getting inspiration. So I'm watching one of my favorite creators. And this is like one of the best ways to just, relax and unwind. I have my lemon water to help me detox as I unwind as well. And I'm ready to end the day. So if you enjoyed this self-care motivation, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.